Chrissie still here?
They got Sam to give them a hand. Shouldn't be much longer.
And then she'll be out of our lives.
I thought you could handle it. You said it's what you wanted.
I have no choice. I love her. But I love you, and she's hurt you so badly. She hates you so much. I can't forgive her for that.
What if it wasn't her who lied?
You can't let her leave like this.
All done?
Almost. I'll send for the rest when I've got somewhere to stay.
No, you can't go, not yet. And you can't let her leave. Not without your blessing. What about a hug? A handshake, then. Please, Dad, give me something.
Goodbye, Chrissie. Look after yourself.
You're going nowhere until this is sorted.